sit here and have fun about yourself. Recollect. Tell yourself something. Encourage yourself that this thing you're gonna do it. It is not impossible that you can do it. Yeah. Yes, you need to encourage yourself that not everything is impossible. Everything is possible so long as you have the willing heart to change your situation. You have the willing heart to work on your situation and also to focus. At times you need not to work on your situation. At times you need just to let the nature takes its own course, because life is spiritual. Some spiritual aspects you cannot just tackle them as a human being, but you live for our divine to do that for you.